Yes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, distinguished members of the OECD and GPI teams. I'm Hugo Arenas. I'm working in the National Planning Department of Colombia, and definitely it's a privilege to share Colombia's ongoing work in developing a transformative and inclusive artificial intelligence public policy. In this case, we want to share with you an overall look up into the public policy that we are working on in Colombia for the use and adoption of artificial intelligence. And yes, Colombia's approach definitely it's anchored in six strategic axes or pillars, as we are already talking about different pillars in your country. So you can see axes or pillars, which we have grouped into two key areas. The first group, it's the AI enablers, and the second ones are their applications, specifically in the use and adoption, but also consider all of the risks and desirable effects. Um, Coming back to our AI enablers, these ones encompass four strategic axes. The first one is ethics and governance. And the second one, data and infrastructure. The third one, research, development, and innovation. And the fourth one, it's related to digital capabilities and talents. The idea is these enablers lay the ground, work for the responsible use and adoption of AI while actively addressing associated risk and undesirable effects. Yes. To explain more, our general objective to this public policy of artificial intelligence in Colombia is to generate the capacity for research, development, adoption, and ethical and sustainable use of AI systems to drive the social and economic transformation in Colombia. I don't want to go into the specific objective because they are related with these six strategic axes. But just to go a little bit deeper with this access and what kind of action lines we'd call with this strategic access. So let me begin with the enablers. The first one about ethics and governance. We're really committed to building a robust governance frameworks that promote the ethical use and responsible use of AI. Governance mechanisms will help anticipate challenges, allowing us to participate actively in international AI standards and collaboration and spaces like these ones. The second strategic axis is related about data and infrastructure. We recognize the importance of reliable technological infrastructure and data accessibility as the backbone of AI. This is not a secret for any of us here. So our policy aims to extend internet access, enhance computing capabilities, and definitely ensure the availability and representativeness of data across different economic sectors in Colombia. So developing a strong public data infrastructure is crucial for us to development of these AI systems and also improve data-driven decision making in all of the Colombian sectors. The third strategic axe, it's related to research, development, and innovation. Here in Colombia, we are very aware that in this moment, Colombia, it's a user of the AI instead of a developer of this kind of AI systems. So to propel AI's growth in Colombia, we focus on fostering an environment beneficial to innovation. Yes, so we want to enhance public and private investments, encouraging technology transfer, and partnering with stakeholders in the digital ecosystem to boost the capacity for AI-driven research and development and move forward to from AI user to AI developer. And the last but not least enabler is the digital capabilities and talents. And we are in these acts really focused in providing our workforce and citizens with the skills needed for the AI ecosystem. We think that this is absolutely fundamental. So we are pushing AI education across all levels, rising digital talent, and fostering a culture of knowledge and innovation. This will not only power individuals, but also stimulate a broader adoption of AI in the Colombian society. So building on these enablers, on these four strategic axes of enablers, we are facilitating the use and adoption of AI across different economic sectors. Our strategy prioritizes integrating AI into public services, business and economic sector, as agriculture, health, energy, tourism, logistics, and so on, and community initiatives to drive economic growth and social progress. This is a key factor for us. However, the application of AI doesn't come without challenges, so that's why this fifth strategy axis that's related to risks and undesirable effects. Definitely, our policy is designed with strategies to identify, prevent, and mitigate potential risks such as bias in algorithms, data security issues, intellectual property, inclusion and sustainability, and ethical dilemmas, and so on. So, ensuring AI technologies are used responsibly will foster trust and maximize their positive impact on our society. So, yes, looking ahead, we plan to have the policy approved by the National Council of Economic and Social Policy this October. The following months, we will focus on engaging on engaging in civil society, implementing the execution of the policy, and aligning with global best practices in AI. So we want to focus by the end of 2024. Our goal is to have the foundations of an integrated AI framework that not only drives Colombia's digital transformation, but also, I don't know, maybe ensures an ethical, inclusive, and sustainable approach. So that's why we are very eager to be here with all of you guys. So thank you so much for your attention, and we look forward to your insights and continued support as we advance HEYAT for the benefit of all Colombians and the Latin American region.
Thank you, and congratulations, Hugo, for your new strategy and policy. And I am sure in the next few months you'll get the approvals and we'll see the implementation across. And again, very detailed, very comprehensive, and also it shows what are the common areas with regard to the way various countries are approaching the implementation and deployment of AI-based solutions. Now, open the floor for questions.
Thank you.
Questions? Yes. I saw a hand go up. Patricia?
Patricia, I saw Patricia's hand right now,
Yes,
but
yes. Good morning. I
hi,
do
Patricia.
appreciate the opportunity of being part of this an unbelievable session for us. I am part of the Secretary of Digital and Transformation in Peru. And Peru, as you know, has become an OECD accession candidate in 2022. And so far, so what I have here from all these countries that are already members of the OECD, where it encourage us to keep on doing the job that we're doing. We are working with your example as Colombia, India, Israel, what you have achieved so far. And it's very important to see that I can tell that we are in the right path. We're having, this public um, um, we're working to we have so far a law that was enacted last year of artificial intelligence, and we are not working to have the regulation. And we are working with UNESCO, with the RAM instrument, and also getting a feedback from the public and private entities. So I do appreciate seeing what the region is achieving, and looking forward to be part of the OECD in the near future. Thank you so much.